Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be covering two of the most popular stocks, Boeing and AMD. Let's take a look. So if you take a look at this Boeing chart, I have already drawn this great uptrend support line for you, right? And it obviously broke through that. What's interesting is that this actually, if you look at it closely, is a head and shoulder pattern. You could see that's one shoulder, that's one big head, another shoulder, and look what happened. Boom, when it broke, it went up a little bit, but we started having this downtrend. Now, what you have to be careful is this double bottom right here. That's the next test point, right? If it bounces through that like today, then we may see potential trend swing. Instead of this downtrend, maybe it's going to reverse back up. You never know. But once it breaks down through this point, then you could see really a bearish sign. Now I shorted this stock up here. So I'm actually thinking if I should cover my short or leave it, depending how it plays tomorrow. Well, that's something to take a look. I also had a nice gain earlier on the Boeing because do you see this sort of descending triangle? Actually, if you draw it from here, it makes a little more sense, right? And you could see this flat bottom, right? Descending triangle, boom, it never broke this flat support, and it broke out right here. That's when you should have bought the stock. And that's a real nice gain, but it formed a, right, shoulder and a head. Now, this could have gone up, you never know, but fact that it went down like this, now it turned bearish, and that's where you see this sign. Okay, cool. Now let's take a look at AMD. If you take a look, big picture wise, you could see it went down here. You could see this support line actually passes through 3 points first, and then fourth one, you see it shows sign of weakness, and it just started dropping. If you also draw this line here, that's a double top. This one's a little bit higher, but generally speaking, it looks like a triple top pattern. So this is an ascending triangle, right, that failed and it started going down. If you draw it from this point as an example, it still passed through that point. Now, you could potentially see a bounce here. And that's the next level you would see. But for now, it's highly likely that this stock might go up a little, but generally speaking, it will probably go down and test this point down here. So I shorted my position around here as a test, and I'm having a bit of solid gain until now. Now, I'm going to wait until this point, unless we turn around and go up here through this point. So the reason why I covered these two stocks is because that we had generally a great update today. All three indexes went over 1%. However, AMD dropped down 1% and Boeing dropped down 1% as well. And you could see technicals do matter. Even on updates, these stocks having it going down. So if you do your trades right, you could make profit on a bull day for shorting stock and also going long on stock, which is great because now you could handle both market conditions. Okay, that's it for today's analysis. Thank you so much again for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button for more future videos like this. Thank you.